once you set the parking brake in this Silverado, you can't release it because the cable has broken. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that, but I'm also going to show you how to go ahead and manually release this, because that's very important too. If you look up in here, you'll see this little piece of metal sticking out right there. That is the parking brake release. So to go ahead and manually release this, all you need to do is pull that forward, and I don't know if you can see that, let me put it back on, but when I pull that forward, that parking brake releases, and it doesn't pinch your fingers or anything bad like that. So that's how you go ahead and release the parking brake. Now let's go ahead and fix it. First thing we need to do to get this thing removed is go ahead and get this part out, which is up in there. And if you look up under here, you'll be able to follow this wire right to where this is hooked. And to get this out, all you have to do, is squeeze this together and then pull it out. And so those little tabs are what hold it in, and you can squeeze those together. Now if you got strong hands, you might be able to do this with your fingers, but I couldn't. So I'm gonna grab some pliers here and wedging them up in here. Gonna be tight, gonna be hard to show you what I'm doing. It's not even an easy place to get your pliers, but once you get them squeezed together, that'll just pull right out. And so I have that out, and my end is gone, so it's not hooked to anything right now. Now we just need to remove this little 10mm bolt that's holding it on. Now to install this new one, I'm going to work in the same direction that I took it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and feed this through underneath this, or I guess above this wire that it was on, and then I'm going to start at the very back here by installing this in that little part that I showed you was the release. And so it'll actually slide into that part and lock in there, and that's what releases the pedal here. Now I don't think I'm going to be able to film me getting it in there, because it's going to require my hand being up in here and kind of almost putting it in the blind. But as you can see, it's gonna go right there in the side and then lock into place. I'll get a shot of it once I get it in. Okay, so you can see I just slid that in and locked it into place there. And then next I'm going to install this little part right back into where it goes. My flashlight is probably blocking it from view, but I'm just gonna push this up in here by hand and then slide it right through until those tabs lock for me. Okay, once that's locked into place, now all we have to do is screw this back on and we are all finished. Got that on nice and tight. We set the parking brake, test it, it releases, we are good to go and all fixed up. I hope this video helped you. If it did, would you mind helping me by clicking that little subscribe button? Every time you do, it helps grow my channel and allows me to keep doing this. I appreciate you.